Before we begin to watch this contest videos are not made for kids only from this YouTube channel, because all the content channels will be intended for Channel 13 audience. Hey, what's up guys? This is your boy JJ Master GT. Welcome back to my channel if you guys are new here in this video. So today, we're about to do a Beyblade battle between Trident, 8B.Wd is going up against Wyvern, 4G.At. Let's get this battle started.
3, 2, 1, go!
You was the winner of this Beyblade battle, Wyvern, 4G.At. I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time.